Hi, it's Dan from Farol's. Just a quick tutorial video to show you how to make crop change. This is using the 7-inch Generation 3 screen available in the T series and the S series John Deere combine and the W. This one's touchscreen. We can also have this in non-touchscreen. The non-touchscreen example would use the scroller button over here with the tick and the cross, grid and the home button to navigate us around the screen. But today this one's touchscreen, so I'm going to demonstrate that. So machine is currently set to winter barley. We're going to go through the process of changing that to winter wheat. So this is the screen we want to be on. If you're not sure how to get there, we press this grid button in the bottom right. It takes us through to the menu. We want to go to combine. Winter combine. It's not displaying like that. Just press the top right hand corner button F, which is a combine. Okay. What we need to go to now is this button here, H. Just showing us we've got winter barley in there at the moment, but we've got the drop down box here. We've got a clean out menu there as well. Come here, picture the crop and the field. We've currently got crop in there, set to winter barley. We'll change this to winter wheat. Winter wheat, just there. That's given us a seed size of 29 and grain loss calibration. We'll come back to these. Now we press this button here, G, and with the combine running, these buttons here will be live. Currently they're greyed out. I can click auto, but make sure that your drum and concaver is in gear and your engine speed is at flat out. So click auto, click enter, and it will accept that then. And then all these greyed out numbers will marry up to the black number above it then. Once we've set in the crop, one thing we may want to do is just do a seed size calibration. So this improves the accuracy on our loss monitors just here. What I recommend you do is drive the combine along and physically check what's in the row or in the losses, if you like. Maintain that to a acceptable standard, and then when you're happy with the losses coming out, click grain loss calibration just there, and that will store that level of loss which you find acceptable. It will then show that in the middle of the green, and then you can successfully drive along to your loss monitors then.